Hey y'all, it's Brittany Akudo and I'm back again with my purple robe. Welcome back to my channel. In my last video, we graduated with our doctorate, and in this video, we celebrate. So I made two dresses for my two celebrations, and one of the dresses was an absolute flop. So let's get into this video. So what happens when you have a brilliant idea and you proceed to carry out that idea, but it doesn't work out? So that's basically what happened to me all throughout the time I was making these two dresses. So for this first dress, I seen some inspo on Instagram and it was so cute, but I made a huge mistake when I didn't plan out how I was going to approach this project. I didn't even draw it out. So the clip you see me drawing was me drawing after I created the final dress. So basically I sort of just dove into making the dress and I was improvising as I was creating, and then I realized I didn't have the correct things that I needed and it was just too late to start ordering the material and tools I needed. So I just had to switch things up. It worked out well and I actually love the simple look I ended up doing, and honestly sometimes less is more. So when you go more simple, just make sure your hair, your makeup, and your confidence can carry the outfit. So that second dress, y'all, a total flop. And the mistake I made with this one was that I did way too much with it. Like, I started to bedazzle it with diamonds, I put tassels on the bottom, I just did a bunch of extra unnecessary stuff to it that I didn't show in this video, and the final product just wasn't fit for the occasion. And I even FaceTimed my sisters, just to make sure I wasn't tripping, and they were both like, nope. It is not giving for the occasion. So I'm gonna have to redo that whole dress and wear it at a later date, and I'll show y'all the full process when that happens. So off to the mall I went. It's been a really long time since I've been to the mall. It was not fun. I was in there for 6 hours looking for a dress, and no, I'm not exaggerating, but I was not leaving until I found something, and I found something, thankfully. So I was recently watching an interview, and in the interview, a man retired from the NBA and was worth over $100 million. And he was speaking about how he was miserable after retiring. And the man went on to talk about how he would drive in traffic for hours just to waste time. And he went about doing this for a whole year. And essentially during that year, he felt purposeless. So I couldn't help but liken that part of the interview to the book of Ecclesiastes. And in this book, the teacher seeks to find what the meaning of life is. So he explores every single thing happening on this earth, the good, the bad, and the ugly. And he's basically trying to figure out what it is that us as humans should do while we're alive and on this earth, and what is a waste of time and what is not a waste of time. So in one chapter, he tries out everything that you can think of that's pleasurable. So he built big homes, had lots of women, had lots of land, and guess what he said about it? All of that was meaningless. So in the last chapter of this book, the teacher emphasizes how with everything that we do, we need to remember God. And his final conclusion comes in Ecclesiastes chapter 12, verse 13 to 14. That's the whole story. Here now is my final conclusion. Fear God and obey his commands, for this is everyone's duty. God will judge us for everything we do, including every secret thing, whether good or bad. So what I got after reading this whole book is to be happy in the work that you do, value the relationships in your life, like understand that you need people and that people need you. No one can do this life alone. Enjoy the fruits of your labor. And also something that the teacher kept recommending in multiple chapters in this book is to have fun, to eat, to drink, and enjoy life. He kept emphasizing that. So the key to life is knowing God. That will make life so meaningful. Have a real relationship with Jesus before it's too late, because if no one ever told you, there is going to be a time where it will be too late to try to know him, and you will wish that you seeked him earlier. So that's the main thing. So that's all the time I have for this video. Hope y'all enjoy this content that you didn't even know you needed. Like, comment, and subscribe. Have a great rest of your day and be encouraged. Bye.